Cleaning up dust and debris can be a real mission, but not when you have Makita's 18-volt LXT blower around. This cordless blower makes easy work of cleaning up your workshop, home, garage, office, and even small outdoor areas. It comes in particularly handy when cleaning out hard-to-reach areas, and even electronics. Its portability and lightweight of only 1.7 kgs makes it easy to use anywhere. The blower has a comfortable rubberized grip with a pressure-sensitive trigger that allows you to control the power of the blower. It also has a control dial that will put a manual stop to the trigger at low, medium, and high, making it easy to use for extended periods. This blower is made from polycarbonate and glass fiber, meaning it's very strong and robust. And the rubber nozzle allows you to get right into tight spots, preventing scratches on surfaces. The nozzle is detachable with an easy twist mechanism. You can also put the nozzle on the intake to use it as a vacuum. It forms part of Makita's LXT range, where all the 18-volt batteries are compatible and interchangeable throughout the range. Check out the LXT batteries and charger clip to find out more. Overall, this is a great tool that I use on a daily basis. This is just one of the blowers available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.